Leaders, we know teachers have more on their plates than ever, and yet our fundamental purpose, ensuring learning, can't be compromised. So, what can you do to help teachers along on this journey? Well, I've identified three things. The first is you got to stop requiring them to clean their plates. There's way too much on their plates as it is. And so you got to fight for them. Do your part. Talk to your assistant superintendent. We've got to remove a bunch of different initiatives. There's no way to do 5 awesome initiatives well. You've got to focus on the teaching, learning, and assessment cycle, identifying essentials, developing common assessments, teaching the content, giving the assessment, analyzing the data, and then deploying for students who got it and students who need more time. That's the primary focus. And so take some of these initiatives off their plates. Secondly, teachers have to have a say in the learning. One of my colleagues and great friend, Paula Maker, says, teachers design the learning. They've got to have a hand in design. If we want them invested in going to the wall, going to the mat, backs to the wall, and ensuring every student learns at high levels, they've got to have a hand in what gets learned. Now, they've got to agree on those things in a collaborative team, but we've got to give them some say in what students learn. The way I picture it is this. You got 4 teachers at the center of the school. You remove the roof. You see those 4 teachers there. Those teachers design the learning, and everything and everyone around them is a resource. The third thing, you got to speak it into them. You got to believe you've got the tools, the talent on staff to ensure high levels of learning for all kids. And if you do, like a great coach, speak it into them. And then you serve as primary hunter-gatherer for everything they need to get this work done. The work of ensuring equity, excellence, and achievement for all students, regardless of background.